Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to your first day of your Ruby Bridges exploration. So let's get started. Your first activity says, get ready to learn about the life of Ruby Bridges and the contribution she made to America. First, you will watch the video below. The video that you'll watch is this video right here. You'll click the play button and the video will play for 3 minutes and you will watch it. After completing watching the video, you will go to Seesaw and listen to the story of Ruby Bridges. You will complete a graphic organizer and write or draw 4 facts you learned about Ruby Bridges in each bubble. To access Seesaw, you're going to click the word Seesaw right here. Once you get to the screen, the first thing you're going to do is click the book that says the story of Ruby Bridges. Next, it will open the read out loud of the story. After listening to the story, you will go back to Seesaw, hit the plus button where it says add response, find your name, and then you will complete the graphic organizer. Remember, you can draw or you can write the 4 facts that you've learned about Ruby Bridges in each bubble.